Hello students, welcome to French Learner Group. My name is Poonam, your French language instructor. Today in this video we are going to learn vowels in French, les voyelles. There are 7 vowels in French and in English we pronounce it A, E, H, I, O, U and Y. So let's start to learn the sound of these vowels in French. First vowel is A in English and in French we pronounce it A. Let's see some example of first vowel and that is A. You have to open your mouth little bit wider. For example, ami which means friend. Next example is amour which means love. Next is arrêt which means stop. Next is avocat which means advocate. Next is avril which means April. All these words are starting with the vowel A, where we have to give the sound of A. We have to open our mouth little bit wider. Now in the next video you will learn the sound of vowel E. So keep watching and keep learning. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon button for the latest videos. As I am getting lot of queries regarding the personal French classes, so I want to inform you about my Skype classes. My Skype ID is poonam.matlotia@gmail.com. I take Skype classes for school students, college going students, for people who are preparing for DELF exam and the people who are aiming to go to any francophone country. So if you are really interested to take any Skype class, please drop a message along with your query on my Skype ID. You can call me on the given number also. Bon courage et bonne continuation.